In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reports in Zoho Desk. Whether you're managing customer interactions or tracking support tickets, effective reporting is key to understanding and improving your service operations. Today, we're diving into how you can easily use Zoho Desk to gain insights that can help manage and optimize your support process. First off, let's get started by navigating to the Analytics module within Zoho Desk. Begin by directing your attention to the left sidebar of your Zoho Desk interface. Here, you'll find a variety of modules, each designed to help you manage different aspects of your support environment. Look for the one labeled Analytics, and go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway to a wealth of information concerning your customer interactions, support agents' performance, and overall help desk efficiency. Once you're inside the Analytics module, you'll need to select Reports. This is where you'll find a wide range of pre-designed report templates, covering a variety of metrics and insights related to customer service operations. Zoho Desk offers a comprehensive selection to help you get started, ranging from agent performance statistics to ticket resolution times and even customer satisfaction scores. By choosing Reports, you're essentially unlocking a toolkit that can help you analyze different aspects of your support system with ease. As you get familiar with navigating the Analytics module, keep in mind that these reports are more than just numbers and charts. They provide a narrative of how your team is performing, and understanding these reports can empower you to make informed, data-driven decisions. Consider these as the building blocks for optimizing your support services and enhancing customer satisfaction. If you're new to this process, a little exploration goes a long way. Don't hesitate to click around and familiarize yourself with the different types of reports available. You may find certain reports that resonate more with your current business needs, or find new ones that reveal different facets of your help desk operations. Remember, this is your chance to tailor Zoho Desk's powerful reporting capabilities to fit your unique organizational requirements. As you become more adept at using these tools, you'll be able to identify trends, pinpoint areas for improvement, and celebrate successes within your support team. By relying on the detailed insights these reports provide, you can enhance your strategic planning and boost the effectiveness of your customer service initiatives. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and leveraging report generation in Zoho Desk. By taking advantage of these features, you are set to elevate the efficiency and quality of your customer support service. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this walkthrough helpful. Happy reporting, and see you next time with more insightful tips to make the most of your Zoho Desk experience.